Hi, this is Bo Birchfield, and this is our week 2, or milestone 2, Auto Industries Application Progress video. So we've done quite a few things, gotten a lot of things working, and added a lot of new features. However, we didn't quite meet our milestone. We're just a little bit off of that. It'll take maybe a day or two to get everything that we were working on and kind of having some challenges with corrected. And it will not affect in any way our final milestone and the launch date of our application. So no big worries there. We've met some challenges and we're tackling those very quickly and efficiently, but we didn't quite meet the milestone. Anyway, let me show you what's going on. Right here I have the simulator of the application, and here I have my actual iPod with the application working on it. As you can see, test is written in both fields. This is basically our username and password, and I've entered it in to the simulator. I've yet to enter it in on the iPad. So as you can see, if I sign in on the simulator, it signs right in. If I hit the sign in button on the iPad, it tells us that we have an incorrect username and password, which is of course to be expected. So all we have to do now is we can hit sync accounts here. We can connect to the iPad, and now the information has been sent from the iPad to the simulator and vice versa. Any new information from the iPad gets sent to the simulator, and any new information from the simulator gets sent to the iPad. So now we enter the same username and password on the iPad, hit sign in. There's a little delay on that alert. Data sync has already been completed long before that. But when I finally react with the iPad, it shows that. So we'll work on that soon. That's a minor problem. So we hit sign in, and it comes right up. I'll go ahead and sign in over here on the simulator. That way we can have both of them there. And we're here on the home screen. Now you may notice here on the main screen there is a slight difference. There's a connect button on the top. If we come up here, nothing really happens yet because we only have two vehicles in each, as you can see. This was done from our previous test, but we have a simulator and an iPad. And they were named that just to show which way they went. However, we'll go ahead and enter a new one here. Whoops. So I'll enter a new vehicle on the simulator. We'll say it's the customer name is test customer. We'll enter the year. We'll say 1999. The make would be let's say test make. It doesn't have to be anything accurate right now. And the model will be test model. The license plate number we'll just say 1 through 7. And the problem to fix today, we'll just say test problem. No big deal, nothing needs to be completely accurate, just to show that we're making it work. So, I'll add the vehicle. It gives me an alert that it's been entered successfully. And we'll see on the simulator that it's been added, test customer right here. However, on the iPad, it is yet to be added. So what we're going to do is implement that connection, and we'll see it added over to the iPad side. So I'm going to connect again to the iPad and hit accept. And again, there's a little delay on the alert, I would imagine. There it is. So now we're going to go ahead and hit access vehicle list. And as you can see, we have test customer right there. Now the only other addition that we have to this, we'll show you over here, is our checklist page. We can now complete things by clicking on them, and you can insert a price for them, as I showed you before. But this functionality is actually in place where it saves it as completed as you check it off, and you can select multiple things. You can also still delete, and that doesn't affect these at all. Also, you can do the same thing on the main item as well. So we don't have the email functionality set in place yet, or anything like that, but we are very near to getting started on that. We just have, like I said, 1 or 2 more days to finish the slight bugs that we're seeing in this and meet those challenges. It will take maybe 1 or 2 days, and we're still perfectly on track for our milestone 3 and project launch. So, thank you very much for watching. Again, I will let you know as soon as everything's updated. Thank you very much. Have a good night.